To install any Weblogic server, as I told you that we required Java applications, and we have all binaries in our system. WebLogic server have different variants. Currently, we are working on 12c environment. We will discuss about 12c environment, which is 12.2.13, and Oracle supports this environment also. Earlier environments are not in Oracle's support. Now we are going to install Java, which is in our WLS software directory. WebLogic Server 12.2.13 supports JDK 1.8. Okay. In this, we are going to extract our Java, and with the help of this, we will install Oracle WebLogic Server, and I'll make you understand how it is done. To install Java, we have two processes. First, we can install Java through RPM package, and another process is that we will download zip file of JDK from our Oracle support, and we can extract this. Now we are moving this JDK in this Java. After that, extract Oracle binary. Once it gets extracted, after that we will create some directory structures, because before installing WebLogic server, it requires few directory paths. One is Oracle home, another is domain home. Oracle home is the directory where all the binaries related to WebLogic server exist. Okay, we can install WebLogic server by through two methods. One is silent installation, another is GUI. To install Java WebLogic server through graphical mode, we need to install VNC server in our server system. In the corporate environments, OS team, Unix team provide us VNC server. To install, we need to execute below command, that is Java bin Java -jar and the path of our fmw. Okay, it will check some configurations or packages in our system and the supported RAM and storage. If it gets sufficient space, it will execute. After running the above command, previous command, it will provide us the GUI mode. From this path, we can select order inventory location. Now we are working over WLS software Oracle in Oracle. We create new directory for order inventory. It should be order inventory. Now go to this button. Okay. Sorry. The installer mode is open, and this is the screen which comes first. Now put the next. Skip auto updates. If your server is directly connected to internet, which is not happen in the companies, if it is directly connected, then you need to skip auto updates. You need to provide Oracle home path. Oracle home where our WebLogic server installed its binaries, which is we provide a same Oracle WLS. Okay, you can check this. If any software is available there, any package is available there, it will not install the configuration of software in this directory. This directory needs to be clear and unused. Now go to the next. It is asking us which type of installation you want. WebLogic server with examples, WebLogic server and Coherence. You can check this. In Coherence there are few packages and functionalities are available, but in WebLogic server all functionalities with including Coherence available. Now it is checking prerequisites. Okay, go to the next. It is checking. It checked disk space, required space, another etc. Yeah, I told you that we can install WebLogic server by two methods. One is silent, another is GUI. We can save this response file, which keeps all the configuration for WebLogic server in it. We use this response file to install WebLogic through silent method. We can save this and now install WebLogic server. I want to tell you one thing while it got completes. There are two types of WebLogic servers. One is plain WebLogic server, another is FMW. FMW is Fusion Middleware, which supports infrastructure. What is infrastructure platform? Oracle provides us lots of applications which are working over WebLogic. Okay. If we are using only plain WebLogic, that time we use customized applications to deploy on WebLogic, which was provided by different vendors. But in FMW, Fusion Middleware products, we download the FMW binary and we can use only the software which was provided by Oracle, like SOA, BI, your XCM, EBS, ESB. Sharing complete screen. Before moving ahead, it is installing in backend. We will discuss the architecture of we can create only one machine in our WebLogic server which can perform the task, all tasks related to node manager, manage servers and admin server, which is admin server. It is the default server. If we create any domain in our WebLogic server, we have to create admin server. Okay. If we don't require any node manager or manage server, we can manage all the tasks through admin server. But in general scenario, we create node manager, manage server. Node manager, what is the working of node manager? Node manager provides configurations to manage server and it checks in particular times that manage server is working or not. If due some reasons our manage server got shut down, it will automatically start our manage server, but it will try this method only 3 times. If manage server goes down in a particular time, fourth time, it will not restart manage server again. Okay, let's check our system configuration is done. Yeah, our configuration is 100% done. We go click on the next. Here is one checkbox which says that automatically launch the configuration wizard. It means It provides us the facility to directly launch domain home wizard. Yes, after finishing, it will launch domain home configuration wizard. You can see this. One minute. Yes. In configuration wizard, we see few options: create new domain, update existing domain. We are going to create new domain, so we select the path. Default path is in Oracle Home, which is our WLS. In WLS, it default creates user projects, domains, and base domain. You can give any name here. Okay. If you want to select any custom path, you can select from this browse where I want to create. This is the slash WL server. I create a directory domain and another directory test. In test domain, I will create our domain. Okay, click on next. From which templates we want to create? Our template is Weblogic server 12213. We will create from this. It's a default. Now go to next. Okay. In admin account, you have to create credentials for your Weblogic domain. Default Weblogic, and the password is Weblogic @123. Okay. Go to the next. There are two modes in which our domain configuration done, which is, one is development mode and another one is production mode. What is development mode? In development mode, we don't have any security. It is used for developers. For testing purpose, it is used. In production mode, we have some security like lock and edit. If we are going to do any task on our WebLogic console, it will ask us that you want to do this task. It will show us one pop-up. Okay, we will perform the activity on production mode. In the another session, we will discuss it in development mode. As I told you that we have to create any admin server. If you want to create node manager, we can create. If we are going to create node manager, then we have to create some managed servers. Local address, we can select default port 4001. In our scenario, we can provide us our listen address here in which our system is working. If we want to enable Excel, we can enable through this checkbox. Still, we are not going to enable this. Sorry. Per domain custom location, in our domain home, we are going to create node manager. Now we have to provide credentials for node manager. We are keeping this same. Okay. We have provided credentials to node manager. Now it is asking us to create managed server. We will create. Test one. Listen address, local address. Default port we can provide us listen port here. We can add another managed server through this. Okay. Now go to next. If we want to create cluster, we can create through this. But in present scenario, we don't have another machine. We will going to install plain system. Let's skip this machines. Machine. What is this? This is the machine which manage our managed servers. Currently, we are working on Linux system. We select the Unix machine. Click on Add. We provide machine name. There is the address, localhost. Default port for Node Manager is 5556. It is the default port of Node Manager. Okay. Go to the next. Now need to assign our servers to this machine. We assign all the servers. Script, partition script, configuration. We are going to create this managed server. This is the admin server, and this is the location. Now create. Through this process, we understand how to install WebLogic server in our environment. Anyone has any query? Arvin, Ali, guys, do you have any query?
No.
If you want to ask, you can ask anything freely. Are you guys currently working in any company?
Yes, we are working in Vodafone right now.
Okay. In which domain you are working?
So we haven't, we are on the infra side.
Okay.
The training haven't been started yet. So this is like an internal learning thing for us. They asked us to learn WebLogic for this before they begin the training for us.
Okay. And currently you are supporting the Linux systems or any other part?
Yeah, so we are not sure about anything else because we are not introduced to the environment that we are going to work also.
Okay. Guys, currently I am working in AU Small Finance Bank and I am managing around 200 plus WebLogic servers or Postgres servers, Tomcat Apache servers. The process which I told you that it is the standard process which we follow in financial domain. Okay. Now it will install and we will click on finish. We can conclude this here. If any one of you having any doubt, we can discuss. Okay.
Okay, so can you explain about the Java architecture in WebLogic?
What's the Java architecture?
Yeah,
Actually,
JE architecture.
no. As I told you that WebLogic server provides the platform for Java application. Okay.
Okay.
To install WebLogic server, we need Java. Without Java, we cannot install. As you saw here, we execute this command java-jar fmw.jar because this is a Java file. To run Java file, we need Java. Okay.
Can
Yeah,
you
our
just
domain
can you just give a brief explanation of like JE, containers and all, like the web containers and EJB containers?
Actually, containers we work on Docker and other domains. In WebLogic, we are not using containers, and we can say that what is container. Okay, leave another topic. What is container? Any one of you are knowing, having knowledge about container? Container is a small, consider image of our domain environment, which use operating systems binary to run and work. If we are working on WebLogic server in our operating system, then it is not using any web containers. We can connect our WebLogic server through web server. In WebLogic, we have web server like OHS, Oracle HTTP server. Yeah. Uh, one.
Yeah, you said here we have got GUI mode installation and the silent mode installation. So there
Yeah.
happens to be a console mode installation also. Is it not working now?
No, it is working. But before going to console mode, you want your console. Okay. What is the console? I'm showing you console also. Now our domain is created. Before going to console mode, we need admin console. Okay. Without admin console, we cannot install another processor. Uh, this is the bin directory of our domain home. In this, we have all the configuration files, setup files to start our WebLogic server or environment, etc. If we want to start our WebLogic server, we need to run this in backend mode. Shamash, you are talking about console mode installation. For console, we need this WebLogic console. For this console, we need to create domain, and in that domain, we need to create only admin server and machine. From here, we can create or manage server from this. Which type of machine you want to create, what is the listen address and port we can create from this part. Okay. What I told you that there are two modes, production and development mode. In development production mode, we have the option lock and edit. If we want to start our machines, click on the checkbox start. The machine is not accessible. It will not give us to allow us to start the server. But if we want to down or admin server, click here shut down. It will ask you to shut down. If when you click on yes button, that time it will start shutdown process. As you can select no. But in development mode, we don't have this lock and edit option and this security feature. If we click on shutdown, it will directly start shutdown process. It will not provide you that this pop-up to confirm this window. Okay, guys. Now we are going to conclude this. We will discuss this in later sessions once your HKR will confirm us. Okay, so we can conclude this here. If anyone of you having any doubt, we can discuss. Then we will stopping this. We want to exit this window. We will press Ctrl C and it will automatically